How to register your account inside the BCBSM application. In order to register for a BCBSM application account, you may follow up these steps. So you can head over and download the application or go to the website of BCBSM, this one right here, and look out for the login page first. For that, tap on the top right corner and head over and look out for login for different people. So if you're a member, tap on members and you will be taken to the login page. Now, what you may do next is you may just head over, and if you have not registered yet, you can scroll through the login page and look out for this option called register and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here it will give you a form. Now you just need to go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions. Carefully follow the remaining on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. You can go ahead and enter up your full name, after that your birth date, email address, social security number, and including creating a strong password and setting up security questions. And once registered, you can log in the app using your newly created credentials and access your member information after that. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to register your account inside the BCBSM app, you may follow up these methods. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.